Are you trying to open Terminal in Windows for Command Prompt or PowerShell? Then make sure to finish this short video tutorial to know how to do it. Now firstly, you can use the Start menu. You can just open Start menu, type in Command Prompt or PowerShell, then press Enter or click on the results that will show up on the screen. Next up, you'd also use the Start menu. Just right-click on the Start menu, then find and click Command Prompt or PowerShell in the listed options. Alternatively, you'd also use the Run tool. All you have to do is open Run on your computer, type in CMD in the text field, then press Enter to open the Command Prompt terminal in a window. Those are the simple ways on how to open Terminal in Windows for Command Prompt or PowerShell in your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.